ladies, can you actually join us here on stage? You guys will be next.
Barish, no.
So
Stood up.
you're single and you want to model, this is the gym. Well, ladies, join us. You want now on the Sally? Yeah, join us here on stage. Alright, everyone, see the ladies. Okay, two more. Okay, now we are ladies. Let's say that we're Okay, we will do this differently. We will do this differently on Sally. And we're waiting for our ladies to join us. Are there any more single ladies out there? May the more sumali. Oh yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful single ladies in the house. 6 and a half. 6 and a half. Okay. Ladies, can we actually form a circle
Just stand up.
around
Stand
our
up.
bride?
Stand
The
up.
bride will take the center of the circle.
Stand up.
Right? A circle around our bride. And then spread yourselves evenly. Spread yourselves evenly. Spread yourselves evenly. Right? And then Sally will take the center of the circle. Okay, ladies, here are the instructions. As you can see, Sally is holding on to a flower that will symbolize the bouquet. And we shall be playing some music. Sally will give the flower to any one of the ladies.
Go.
The ladies will be passing it around. Once the